Hey guys, so in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can loop video in CapCut. You can basically loop a video in CapCut the same way on PC and on your phone. What you need to do is just click on the video which you would like to loop, and then just on the PC you just need to use the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V combination to just copy and paste the video, and you need to make sure that there's no gap between the two videos so that after the finishing of the first video the second video starts immediately, like that. And it's a loop basically. On your phone you just need to do the same thing. You just need to tap on the video and you just need to search for duplicate on the scrolling bar under the video. You just need to do the same thing we just did before. Alright, so all in all, this is how to loop video in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.